If your screen on a Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro is yellow or orange, just like mine is right now, in order to fix this, you just have to go to Settings. Then over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and you want to go to Display and Brightness. Then in Display and Brightness, you want to go to Xiaomi Eye Care Shield, and most likely you have the Eye Comfort mode activated, so you want to turn it off. And there we go, now it turns into normal colors. Of course, you can also adjust the blue light filter in here if you want to adjust the intensity of that orange filter. And also what you might need to do is you might want to check if you have a schedule created. Because if there is a schedule created, then of course, after some time it can be re-enabled automatically. You might also want to check color scheme option in here to make sure that, for example, the adaptive color temperature is not enabled. You might also check the color temperature wheel over here to make sure that there is like no warm color selected or anything like that. So you can tap on a default to make sure that you actually use white colors. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.